You guys don't know what you're talking about. This isn't like the Jordan 11 Low Concord. It's got the little shine on the patent leather and the different outsole. It's got that more of like an iridescent shade to it. And the emerald green, it's completely different. And it's just a Jordan 11 Concord love. What's going on, everybody? My name is John, you're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today what we have for unboxing is the Jordan 11 Low Easter or the Jordan 11 Low Emerald. Let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard Jordan box, the black and gold box. That comes with most of the releases except for, specialty releases like the Jordan 3 or the Jordan 4 or the Jordan 1. The color code for the shoe is white, black, and emerald rise. And it has a suggested retail price of $175. Let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features a white leather upper with the iridescent patent leather. And the iridescent shade on this shoe is so hard to see from far away. Like, you can only barely see it, but it does have an emerald green tint when it hits the light from various angles. The tongue has the emerald rise color to the Jumpman Jordan logo. And also the tongue is white. The sock liner is a black sock liner. Feels like a standard Jordan 11 sock liner. On the heel you have the Emerald Rise 23 and the black Jumpman. You got the white Phylon midsole and the outsole. The outsole also has this iridescent type of tint to it. And then you have the black pods on the bottom. Also, carbon fiber plate, completely necessary. Now let's take a look at some detailed looks of the shoe. Jordan 11 Low Emerald drops on March 31st for a retail price of $175. Also be available at Jordan retailers and Jordan.com or Nike.com. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost YouTube channel. Also, check out Solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Thanks for watching, and I'll check you next time.